Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to create swap file on Linux. So first of all, in order to create a swap file on Linux we have to go into terminal. So I press on show apps and press on terminal. And right now, maybe at the beginning we will check if we have swap on our system. Most of the time, if you are watching this video, you will probably not have it, but I will show you two comments how can we check that. The first one is swap on --show. As you can see, nothing happens, so we don't have swap on our system. Second one is free -h, and it will show us that our swap is on 0, so that means we have to create that. And how can we create that? We can create that by using the command. First of all, sudo, because we need the administration permissions. And right now, fallocate, and right now -l, and we have to decide the size of our swap file. I will choose, for example, 2 GB, and the place where we want to store that. So, for example, the swap file. We can do it like this. So sudo fallocate -l 2 GB and swap file. We will press enter. Of course, we have to type in password, and right now we have to set permissions. It's very important. The permissions for swap file are of course sudo chmod is the command, and 600. We have to add read and write for the user. The group and the other should not have any permissions basically. And for the swap file, again password. And right now, it's very important for security, for example, so we have to change that. We have to right now set up the swap area. How can we do it? By typing in sudo mkswap and swap file. We press enter, and as you can see, our swap is setting up. Right now we have to enable the swap. So again, we will use the swap on command, but right now not with show, but with our swap file, and we'll press enter. And right now it is active. We can check that by typing in swap on --show. I will press enter. As you can see, we have the swap file size 2 GB, and with free -h you have 2 GB. But it's very important to say that with this method you have the swap file will reset after the reboot. Basically, we will have to use this command every time we will reboot our system to activate our swap file. How make it permanent? Basically, we can do it by editing a file. It's the sudo nano to edit a file, and the file is in etc and if in fstab. We have something like this. We have to go at the end of this file, and right now we have to type in swap/swap file non swap fw 0 and 0. We have to save that by pressing Ctrl O, enter, and Ctrl X. And right now we can test that with sudo swap on -a. If we don't have any error or mistakes, that means that it is working correctly. But to make sure, I will now restart my system, and we'll check if after the restart our swap on command and free command will show us our swap memory on 2 GB. So I will restart it right now, and I will go back to you after my system will be restarted and basically I will be back on the login page. And as you can see, I can now log into my system, so I will type in my password and we will check if our swap is still activated. So we have to wait a bit for our system to start. And right now we can move to the terminal. And I can type in, first of all, maybe swap on -- show. As you can see, it is still here, and 3 -h. As you can see, it is still here, so everything is working fine. And if you found that will be all. If you found the video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.